Heavy rainfall lashed parts of western Tamil Nadu on Monday. Hosur recorded the highest rainfall of 12 centimeters in 24 hours. IMD forecasts continued heavy rain in many western districts. Chennai city and suburbs may get light to moderate rain on Tuesday. IMD Deputy Director B. Amudha said thunderstorms may occur Tuesday. Skies will be partly cloudy on Tuesday in Chennai and suburbs. Max temperature may be around 33 to 34 degrees Celsius, minimum 26 to 27 degrees Celsius Tuesday. Day temperatures will stay below normal until Tuesday. Temperatures may rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius after Tuesday. Heavy rain of 6 to 12 centimeters is forecast for several western districts. Districts include Coimbatore, Tirupur, Theni, and Dindigul. Also Erode, Krishnagiri, Dharmapuri, Salem, and Tirupattur. Vellore, Ranipet, and Tiruvannamalai districts will also see rain. Nilgiris district may get very heavy rain, 6 to 20 centimeters in 24 hours. Rain caused by cyclonic circulation over Bay of Bengal. Low pressure area likely to form over Arabian Sea around 22nd May. The system may intensify while moving northward. TN, Puducherry, and Karaikal had 192.7 mm rainfall since 1st March. This is 90% above normal rainfall for the region. Southwest monsoon expected to start over Kerala around 27th May. Rain activity may spread to Tamil Nadu shortly after. Nungambakkam and Minambakkam observatories recorded rain Monday. They recorded 1.2 mm and 4.4 mm rainfall, respectively.